How to fix Instagram Reel sound problem. If your reel is not playing properly, then follow these fixes. First of all, try opening a reel. Now, when you play a reel, simply tap on the sound icon right over here, and so that you have your sound on. Now, if you want to increase the sound, simply tap on the menu of your sound bar. Now, here you can easily increase the volume. This is the media volume. So make sure that your media volume is up. Then close the application. If this doesn't fix, simply what you can do is hold on to the Instagram for some time, tap on the app info icon right over here. Then sometimes some glitches or app bugs may cause this error. Simply head over to your storage section, and as you can see, the cache has consumed a lot of memory. Simply tap on clear cache and simply head back and tap on the force stop icon right over here and simply tap on OK. After that, close the application and simply head over to the Play Store. We'll see if there is any update available. Now go to the search bar and type for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram icon. Now if there is an update, there will be an update icon right over here. Make sure to tap on that. And if it says open, that means your app is already up to date. Then try opening the app and try playing a reel, and it should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.